In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the DNS server is not responding error on Windows 11. If your internet isn't working because of this issue, follow these methods step by step. First, open the Start menu and search for View Network Connections. Click to open it. Now, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. In the list, find and select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, then click Properties again. Next, use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS field, enter 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS field, enter 8.8.4.4. After that, click OK to save the changes. Once done, check if your internet connection is working properly. If the issue still persists, open the Start menu again and search for Settings, then open it. Go to Network and Internet, scroll down, and click on Advanced Network Settings. From there, scroll down to Network Reset and click the Reset Now button. Confirm by clicking Yes. After the reset is complete, restart your computer. Once your system boots back up, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if the problem has been resolved.